Hey everyone. You guys are doing fantastic work. Keep it up. Man, if I could give you virtual tracks car tenders, I'd be sending them to you in the bunches full. So let's go over the Friday, September 11th activity. It shouldn't be very difficult. I know it's GeoGebra, but I'm going to show you how to do it, and then I'm going to let you do it. So here we are. We have it open on our screen. Friday, September 11th activity. Please work on this on Friday. Upload a screenshot after completion. Actually, let me change views. I want you to see exactly what it looks like in your screen. So we're going to go student view. Then we're going to go to modules. Then we're going to go down here to 817 Friday activity and open it up. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to let everything load the way it needs to load. And this little square down here will make everything full size. So you can use the full screen much better. If you haven't used that already, that's a great way to help with everything you need. So we need to go to the left-hand side and we're going to click on the tools. We're going to go down here to the more button so that we have everything available that we need. So it says, I'm going to take this, use the tools on the left-hand side, rotate an image, measure the length of both sides. That's what this is all about. No bending, no stretching. So any rigid transformation, which is what you learned today, any rigid transformation, there will be no changes in the length of lines. There will be no changes in the angles inside the polygons. So this first one, it says rotate segment AB around point C. You choose the length and the direction. So we're going to go down here. We're going to go down to transform. Transform right here. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to say rotate around a point. Click on that. Then it says click on the image. Well, we're doing a segment, so we're going to click on AB. It should highlight like you've seen it. And then we're going to click around C. Then at that point, I'm going to go ahead and choose whatever angle you want. You can choose it. Anything from 0 to 306, or from 1 to 359. I'm going to just choose 78. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do counterclockwise. Just leave it the way it is. And then I'm going to go ahead and rotate it. So now you've rotated a segment. Now all we have to do is measure the length of both lines to verify they did not stretch. So here we go. We're going to go up, up, up to measure. Click on distance. Click on the distance. It says R is 7. And then R prime is 7 and R is 7. So we see that they didn't change in length. So now what I want you to do is just click on text and add a 7 units or whatever it is you find out your length is. Second one, it says we're going to reflect triangle EFG and measure one of the interior angles using the measurement tool. Then reflect, so we're going to reflect it and then measure it. So the first thing is go down to transform and we're going to reflect, but we're going to reflect about a line. So click on that, click on the image, and then click on the y-axis. Boom, boom. So now we have triangle EDG and triangle E prime, D prime, and this would be G, but I don't know why G didn't show up, but that's not a big deal. So now we're going to go back up to the measure tool. We're going to click on angle, and this is your job to click on. I'm going to tell you corresponding angles, and I'm going to use D. Whoops, I don't want to do that. I'm going to measure the angle, and I'm going to click on the line, and the outside is 315, so that means this is 65. But we just want to make sure that they don't change. So now we're going to do the same thing to the other one. Click on that line, and look, 45 plus 315 is 360 degrees. So in this case, because we can see that both of the angles are the same, so now we're going to just look at the interior angle, and we're going to write down 45 degrees. And we're almost completed. Then just go ahead and take a screenshot of this whole thing. Once you've got the screenshot, go ahead and click Submit Assignment. Choose File. Wherever you saved it to, enter it in, click it, and then go ahead and Submit Assignment. Then you're done for the Friday. Nice work. Monday starts 8.1.8. This following week, we're going to have our first PC. So I'll send you some review stuff, a practice PC that you'll be able to work on Wednesday before we take the PC on Thursday. Keep up the good work.